see, I have two brand new toys to play with today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review, playing it and see how it is when it works, and see the quality. So that's coming up right now. Alright guys, so here I am. I'm about to open this bad boy up and see what this is all about. Alright, as you can see, it's out the box. This thing is pretty big. It's also heavy. This is the automatic one. I'll have the link in the description exactly where you can get it. Temperature, cooling. This is the magnet. I'm pretty sure it'll stay when it's plugged in. But this thing is huge. Alright, and now onto the humidifier. Alright, this is what it looks like out of the box. This thing is huge. This thing is, I think, 70 pints, 72. I'm not really sure. I will have the links in the description, everything. So, let me see if I can back this up for you. I don't know if you guys don't need to see my head, but came with the propeller. I'm pretty sure that goes right here. Yeah. Propeller. This is like the fog guard. Yeah. I'll probably keep that on. And it didn't come with anything else. Came with the manual. Product number 700861. Let me see. Yeah. I definitely gotta read up on this stuff. I gotta see where you put up, but I'm gonna have it in the tent. We're gonna see how it fits in the tent and how to get it going. And that's coming up right now. Alright guys, so here's the plan. The shelves are nowhere near to be done. I still want to bring these shelves out closer. I want to maximize space. This is like a really small space. I believe this is, I have to look it up at my old video. I'll actually have that video in the link in the description. But anyways, I want to bring these shelves out. I'm trying to put the humidifier down there. You can see how huge it is. And also I have these two fans right there. I got one for exhaust, one for intake. I'm not sure if that's going to be very, necessary, but I got so many of these, ports or holes or whatever. I might as well take advantage of them. So, I don't know, it's an experiment. We'll see what happens. But I'm about to fill this up with water, come back in like, I don't know, an hour, see how maximum it is. Alright guys, so I just filled the reservoir with water, and I put the cover on. This thing is powerful. So you immediately, as soon as you turn it on, you can feel the cold mist. It starts making the moisture really fast. It's crazy. This one's really powerful. So what I have right now is I have my thermostat. It's 85 degrees right now. It's really hot. 19% humidity. I'm gonna put this over here. I'll put it down there. And also, let me see if I can fix this camera. Alright, and we'll check on it in like, I don't know, 20 minutes, because I don't think we need an hour. I don't even think we need 20 minutes, to be honest. You can see the windows already fogging up. You see that? Wow, this thing is really good. Alright, we'll be back. Oh, look at all that. In 10 minutes, temperature went down 10 degrees, and now the RH is at 83%. 83%, temperature's at 75. There is a lot of condensation on the floor, but I'm gonna have one of those controllers to have that all set up. So let me show you a closer look. I hope you guys can see the vision I'm going for. But yeah, if you like this content, give me a like, please. Comment, subscribe. I'd like to hear your feedback, your thoughts, your opinions. Also, I'm going to have the links in the description for all the videos I mentioned earlier. And basically that's it. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Michael Toads. And yeah, much love.